In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add location in Acuity Scheduling. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to acuityscheduling.com. From in there, proceed to click on this Get Started option in order to create an account. Now, if you already have an account, proceed to click on this login right here in order to log into one. Since I already have an account, let me just proceed to log in. Now here is my actual homepage on my Acuity. In order to add your location, what you can do is you can just head over right here to your left sidebar and click on your appointment types. Choose right here the appointment type that you wish to edit. For example, let's add a location to this concert. Click on edit. Once you have done that, you can head over and then input right here and locate the location option. You can update it according to your liking and you can offer this right here. So for example, let's choose right here this and click on edit. You can click on this edit option and input right here the actual venue that you wish to use. Additionally, you can also add a longer description and adding here the actual location in this part. Like for example, let's just input location and let's input right here the actual concert event. So input right here the location of the concert. For example, let's input right here SMX. And then after you have done that, you can just head over and scroll onto the very bottom. Click onto this update appointment type, and then this particular appointment shall commence on the specific date and time that we inputted, as well as the location where it's been added. So you can head over and then have people sign up for this event if you would want to. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.